very young. This is a 1930 blower Bentley. It's a 4.5 litre 4-cylinder engine, but it's supercharged, and that makes it a little unusual, I guess. This actually was the last WO to be registered in England in 1937, strangely. Bought it 3 months ago, but we received it from the boat 3 weeks ago, where it's all a bit new to us at the moment. But it goes very well, keeps up with modern traffic and exceeds the speed limit with some enthusiasm. This we don't do, of course. Yeah, it's a great car. So many vintage cars are, miserably slow, but no, this is pretty exciting.